Hi, drivers, welcome back. So, today I want to talk about not letting the truck drive you, drive the truck. So, when drivers panic, the truck drives them. When they focus, they drive the truck. And the same is true for your emotions. So, here's a mental health tip for you: use your mirrors as mindful cues. Every glance is a reminder: I'm in control. Slow down before reacting. Tension tightens judgment. After a tough backing or traffic jam, unclench your hands and shoulders before rolling again. Control your emotions the way you control your truck. For some mental health resources and tips, click the link below.